Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fade an overlay in CapCut easily. So select overlay and select add overlay. Select any overlay you want. I'm just going to use this white stock video, like this white background, and I'm just going to select add. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to resize it, and I'm just going to add it here. To fade out the overlay, I'm just going to select the overlay, and I'm going to select animation out and choose fade out. And I'm just going to adjust it till like the end, like the duration. And that is really it. You can also choose splice and choose overlay for it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Oops. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!